Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30C, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that here scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. Here the first you'll see the ringtone, notification, media and alarm volume panels. You can change them by swipe the dots here to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, the next thing that we can see that the silent mode switcher, we can turn on the silent mode, and as can you see, when the silent mode is turned on, all the notifications and ringtones they are muted, and if you will turn off the silent mode, the ring and notification button just will ring. Here we got the phone ringtone and vibrate. We can just change here, select one from the notification, ringtone and alarm tones here. Also, we can set the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it on. We can just change the to allow the calls here or to don't allow the message. Also, we can here activate or turn off the repeated callers, the alarm sound here, the sleeping time, the activate here to add the event, for example. And we got here also more sound settings, so we can here turn on or turn off the dial buttons, the screen lock unlock sounds, the touch sounds and vibration on touch. And as can you see, all of these options we can turn on or turn off by click once on each of the switchers by this way. And here also we have the haptic feedback's vibration duration, so we can change it. We can increase that from 40 just to the 2050, or we can also just decrease it to the 0, or we can also switch it just to the default here. And here we got the emergency alerts, so we can activate the alerts or turn them off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.